Let's switch on the camera and see how it is. Switch on. Hi everyone, today we're opening DJI Pocket 2. It is combo edition. It has everything. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell. Here's 13 items. Okay. Okay. Now, there's something here. Okay. It's really hard. Okay. Right. Okay. So here, I think it's instructions. Here, backside too. Okay, this is wide angle lens. And now we're gonna put this on the stand. Okay, we put it down in this bin. Okay, now we're gonna take this off and put it down. And we're gonna take it. Okay. Right. Here is the charger. There's only 3. And here is the memory card. Okay, let's rip it. Okay. And okay, now let's switch on. Okay. Okay, let's switch off. Okay. Now that's it for today. Bye bye. Well, like and subscribe, hit the bell, and we're going to get ready the camera for tomorrow. Bye!